Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to send XRP from Trust Wallet to Binance. To send XRP from Trust Wallet to Binance, follow this step. Open up your preferred web browser and log in to Binance. In the wallet section, go to Fiat and Spot and search for XRP in the search bar. After that, click on Deposit next to XRP. Select the XRP network, usually it's XRP Ledger. Copy the XRP deposit address. This will be used to send XRP to Binance. Open the Trust Wallet application. Ensure you have XRP in your Trust Wallet. In the Trust Wallet, find and tap on XRP wallet to open it and click on Send button. In the recipient address field, paste the XRP deposit address you copied from Binance. Double check the address is correct to avoid losing your fund. Enter the amount of XRP you want to send from Trust Wallet to Binance. Review the transaction to ensure it's correct. After entering the amount, click on Next. Trust Wallet will show you the network fees and then review the transaction, and if everything looks correct, click on Send. After sending, the transaction will be processed on XRP network. So that is how you can send XRP from Trust Wallet to Binance. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.